Because this is the steak for royalty.
So it has to be good.
Pinkies up.
Well, I hope so.
Pinkies
All
up, pinkies
right,
up.
let's give it a try. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Oh, this is extremely unique flavor. I don't know how to describe that, and I'm glad both of you are here to try to help me out. First of all, it's not bad.
No.
It kind of has like a dry aged taste, but not necessarily in a good way.
Okay,
I
in
guess,
a bad way?
no, it's not bad, but it just doesn't have like the funkiness of a dry aged steak that you'd want. The funk that maybe you leave to the side that you don't really want.
How about you, Fefezinho? Because I got something to say.